Hey guys, this is Chris with House of Slabs. We got us another pack of Journey Together. Still chasing that wailord. Well, I can get it open here. There we go. Hope everybody's staying safe. If this winter storm affected you, our power is currently out. So we're running off a generator. Water Energy, Purloin, Professor's Research, Lily's Cutie Fly, Petalil, Pangoro, Grimmsnarl, Ian's PP Up, Pangoro Reverse, Norbat Reverse. Oh, nice. A Brock Scouting Special Illustration Rare. Sweet. We will take that. That's awesome. Well, thank you for watching. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe. And y'all, we'll see you on the next one.